Hey there, Forever Happy family. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful and Merry Christmas and you got everything that you wished for, or what you wished for will come true in the new year. I am preparing what we're going to eat for our New Year's Eve feast, and that item is, in the Philippines they call it Siopao. There's a bunch of different names. A lot of Asian countries prepare this. Basically, it's going to be a pork-filled steamed bun. I use the steamed buns flour. Just comes in the packet. I get it at the Asian store. It's called 99 in Albuquerque. And I'm also going to be filling it with char siu, or Chinese barbecue pork, right here. And I made a video on how to make that. I'll link it up here. And if you want to use char siu pork for your steamed buns, the recipe will be right there for you. Also use 3 hard-boiled eggs, a half a cup of white sugar, and a full cup of fresh milk. And then we're going to use the steamer here to steam them. So let's get all this stuff cleaned up and we'll start making the batter. Now that we've got our area prepared here, the first step is to combine our sugar with our milk until the sugar is completely dissolved. We have our package of the steamed bun flour set aside a little bit because we'll put it on the surface when we roll these things out, so that it doesn't stick to everything. All right, we're going to gradually add this to our flour. We're going to kind of knead it here for about 20 minutes here. Get good and worked. Okay. Now we've kneaded it for about 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're going to knead it for another 10 minutes. All right, we've kneaded it for about 10 minutes, and we are going to cover it and let it rise for about 30 minutes. We'll get some other stuff prepared while we wait. Welcome back. We've let the dough rise. We'll sit for about 30 minutes covered. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide it into 12 pieces. While I was letting that rise, I shelled the hard-boiled eggs, and I cut just regular wax parchment paper that the bun's going to sit on, and got a little bit of the flour left over, so I'm going to put it on our little All right, roll it out there and take some of our pork here, put it in the middle. All right. Why not? Place one of these here, and then we're gonna close up our bun like such, and put one of these here. Go ahead and place it in the steamer. We're gonna keep doing that until we're all out of dough. So there we have our first 4. So we'll go ahead and get those steamed up. I'm gonna roll out some more, but we'll check these out when they get done. and set them up for about 10 minutes worth of steaming. Should be enough. All right, we'll be back when that's done. All right, now the buns have been steaming for about 10 minutes. So what we want to do is open the lid. We want to remove the water from inside the lid. We're going to go for another 10 minutes. And then they'll be done. You can see I've already got 2 ready, just getting some more ready to go in as soon as those are done. Now a little tip, if you want to make sure the buns stay nice and white, is you add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the water in your steamer, and that'll help the buns be nice and white. All right, I'll keep working. We'll be back when those are done. We'll check them out. Hey, just in time. Just finished the rest of them. Got them all made to go in the steamer. Steamer just finished. It's let's do, well, a little hot. Should let them cool a little bit longer. Okay, well, let's get the next batch going. All right, well, get that batch going. Let these cool a little bit. We'll tear into them. Take a look at how they look, but I know they're going to taste delicious. We'll be back. Well, the moment of truth. And don't forget about your paper. Been there, done that. There you go. Some Siopao, Philippine Siopao with char siu pork. Oh, so delicious. Well, there you have it. Very simple. I said I just used the flour straight from the Asian store, the steam bun flour. Some char siu, which I've got a video that'll tell you how to make that. Cook your char siu, get some, chop it up, and make you some steamed buns. You only need 3 boiled eggs, tablespoon of oil, and that's it. And in your steamer, make sure you put 2 tablespoons of vinegar in there. Keeps the buns nice and white. So I hope you've enjoyed what we're going to have New Year's Eve. So thanks for joining me, and if you really enjoy this video and others like it, please take a moment, hit the like button, subscribe so you can, and notification bell so you can find out when more videos are going to be posted right here at Forever Happy. And don't forget, we have a little one on the way, Carolyn Grace, and we've started a channel for her. Should be posting some unboxing of the stuff that we're getting for her, but the channel's growing with Grace, and you know, it's going to be an interesting adventure. So once again, thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining us here at Forever Happy. We hope that next year, 2022, is one filled with good health and very prosperous for you. And until next time, remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and be happy. I'm going to eat some more of this.